Hello and welcome. Today's presentation is on anatomy and physiology of the body systems. We are going to start off with the integumentary system. Integumentary system contains the hair, skin, and nails. Human skin is the largest organ in the body, and it has mainly three layers. And these layers are the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. This is one of the simple structures of a human skin, showing the three layers. The top one is the epidermis. This is the epidermis part of human skin. It is thinner as compared to these other layers. Then the middle one, we have the dermis, which has most of the structures within the skin. And then the bottom one, which is the hypodermis, also known as subcutaneous fat tissue, because it consists of the fatty tissue. In the dermis, we have hair follicle. Slightly above it, we have the sebaceous gland, and the hair follicle extending outside the epidermis, which is known as the hair strand. Then we have the nerve structures extending from the hypodermis layer, the yellow structures. These are the nerve structures extending from the hypodermis into the upper part of the dermis. Then we have the blood vessels, the blue and red blood structures, that is the arteries and veins, extending from the hypodermis layer and ending at the upper part of the dermis. Then we have the sweat gland situated in the dermis layer. Functions of the skin: protection, which acts as a shield, a barrier for defense, for immunity, and as waterproof. Sensation: this is for during touch, when there is pain, change of temperature, or pressure. Thermoregulation: through cooling, sweating, heat loss, or insulation. Vitamin D synthesis by sunlight, calcium absorption, and metabolism. Excretion function through sweat, some waste removal, and urea. Absorption function: some medications get absorbed through the skin, like insulin, injectable. Absorption of oxygen from the environment as well as from the circulatory system, and also absorption of moisture. Storage function: stores fat, water, and food nutrients. Other body systems: we have skeletal system, which mainly has bones, cartilage, and joints. Their main function is to support other body structures for body movement and mineral storage. Then we have muscular system, which has muscles basically, and their function is for movement and heat production. We have nervous system, which is containing the brain, spinal cord, and other nerve structures. The main function is to control the body activities, for communication within the body, and for sensory impulse transmission. Endocrine system, which has many body glands, and these glands produce hormones for regulation of body metabolism activities. Cardiovascular system, which is also known as circulatory system. It has the heart, blood vessels, and the main function is to transport oxygen and food nutrients. Lymphatic system, which has lymph nodes and lymph vessels. Their main function is for fluid balance and immunity. We have respiratory system, mainly the lungs and airways, and their main function is for gas exchange, that is removal of carbon dioxide and taking in oxygen. Digestive system, which has mainly the stomach, intestines, and the liver, and their main function is for nutrient breakdown and absorption. Urinary system, which has the kidneys, the bladder, and the main function is for waste removal and fluid balance. Reproductive system, which has mainly the ovaries and the testes, and the main function is for reproduction. Check for more revision videos at this link. And if you get this information useful to you, don't forget to like. Thank you for watching.